Okay, I want to show you how to locate where the gas tank is on an HRV SUV, and this will also work with the CRV as well, or any Honda model for that matter. So go to the driver's side of your vehicle, and then right here on the very bottom is where you want to look, and you want to look for a gas tank logo. Now sometimes they're down here, but usually they're right here. And the only thing you have to do is just lift up on it, which you have to reach way back here, and you'll hear it click. And there we go. And of course turn counterclockwise and you're good. Now a couple of tips when you fuel your tank. You don't want a tank to get lower than a quarter full. And the reason that is because when you're running low on gas, when it's way below a quarter, like almost empty, it actually puts more pressure on your fuel pump and it wears it out quicker. And that's a good way to get your fuel pump to go bad. So make sure that you don't let it go too much. Also too, when you're filling it up, make sure once it clicks and it shows that you're done filling, don't try to force more in it because it'll actually damage it. The fuel actually will go behind the tank and do damage. So you don't want to overfill your tank. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.